Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos healthy, only way. Start by preheating the oven to a moderate heat and layering chips thinly to crisp evenly. Swap heavy cheese for a modest sprinkle and add protein like shredded chicken or black beans for substance. Pile on fresh veggies, use plain Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, and finish with lime juice and cilantro for brightness and balance. Use smart swaps to keep flavor while cutting calories and fat. Trade sour cream for plain Greek yogurt to add protein without heaviness. Combine corn and black beans for fiber, color, and a satisfying texture that stretches servings. Sprinkle just 1/4 cup of sharp cheese per serving so a little goes a long way, and finish with herbs and citrus to add big flavor without added calories or salt. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking or snacking. It seals well and fits cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Layering matters for texture and portion control when making healthy nachos. Place a single layer of chips, add a thin layer of toppings, then repeat to ensure even coverage and avoid drowning the chips. Serve on smaller plates or as a shared platter to naturally limit portions. After a quick bake, top with fresh ingredients like diced tomatoes, onions, and herbs so everything stays crisp and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.